Absolutely gorgeous fire in the Blue Ridge Mountains. It's on a Friday night around 11 o'clock. And this is how we do it in the mountains. Snuggle up on the couch with a good book, watching good TV, and what better than a real wood burning fireplace? If you want a piece of this, just give me a call and I'll be sure to find that great cabin for you.